I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we're asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, fall deep. But love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees.
Hi, hello everyone. So happy to be here. Okay, I don't know what I can say about this video. I have a pre-talk. Previously talked. Today still we will just share something about the Riemann hypothesis. Why I feel so sad? It's because I don't know why. The plethora thinking just bury me under the ground. I cannot breathe. I cannot open eye, seeing or just hearing anything. It's just like some kind of assassination. So I feel that is so horrible. Just not only it's a kind of a mental persecution. So I don't want to make it so heavily because I don't want to pacify profession. So what I want to say is just I don't know why I feel very poor and wretched. In Taiwan, here is a certain character. Okay, maybe the occupation is a teacher. He, both. He, both care so much heavily about I share the Riemann hypothesis. But actually, this knowledge is very commonly revealed. So I don't know why. That is very out of ration. So I don't know how to just release out or just have the flexibility on the such phenomenon and actually the crucifixion just like this make me so feel the bitterness. So I don't want to tear it down or that. Sometimes the Euclidean is always existed. That is so horrible and abhorrence. Okay, so I just don't like this, but I still will share the Riemann hypothesis. I just hope that both can just be combined. Okay, that is not a big deal, and it's my label. It's my label when I read about the information, except like the zeta or just the zeta or just the rotation, zeta rotation, delta, etc. Okay, so that is a very it's a new symbolization to me. Okay, it's a new symbolization to me. I never learned what is the zeta, or what is the delta, what is the omicron or the rotation. So that is what I'm just will be confused about a little bit. But approximately, the concept is very clear. The concept is very clear. Only one thing is just when you get into the formula. So the definition and the expressions all unveiled out, and just only the formula. The formula indicates under the definition we show out a formula with you. That is from the definition, and by the formula, we can just do something stuff in the definition we are going to do. So it's all around the mathematics, right? Okay.
Catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. Okay, so that's the videos, the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So here today, we have something to talk about. Okay. The concept addition. Okay. Okay, so because we know the second, the principle of the Euclidean algorithm. So we get A equal BQ plus R, and AB, the greatest common factor, will equal BR, the greatest common factor. Okay, where it come from? So two positive integer A, B, because the principle of division only existed one set, Q1 and R1 make what? Make this A equal Q1 B plus R1. So this moment time, the R1 among 0 and B. If R1 is not 0, and here B will equal Q2 R1 plus R2. So the R2 will equal 0 and R1. If R2 is not 0, and R1 will equal Q3 R2 plus R3. So the R3 will amount 0 and R2. If R3 is not 0 and R2 will equal to 4, R3 plus R4. So the R4 will amount 0 and R3. So if the R4 is not 0. Okay. So this is the principle of Euclidean algorithm. Okay. The principle of Euclidean algorithm. Okay. So and another one thing. We have okay. So say A, B, C are positive integer. If A, B equal B, C equal C, A equal 1, then A, B, C times A, B, C will equal A, B, C. Okay, this is just like okay.
I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah.
Okay.
Thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you.
Here we come to do some questions. The first question is the coprime. The coprime. Okay, here. Say HK are positive integer. And HK's common factor, the biggest common factor is 1. 2. HK and H plus K, the two sets, the greatest common factor is equal 1 as well. So, because once you prove it is equal 1. So we said the common factor, the biggest common factor, this set is equal another number. We said that is equal D, but the D is not 1 because the question wants you prove it that is equal 1. So on the contrary, adversary to think about it, we say that is not 1. So here must exist another prime number P. The P will be the factor will be the factor of HK and the factor of H plus K. Right? So that is the beginning. So 2 HK and H plus K. Remember, question 1 to prove this equal 1. But when we want to prove, we say this equal D and that is not 1. That is not 1. And under this condition, so here must be a P. Make P is the factor of HK and P is the factor H plus K. Okay. This is sentence 1. So, because P is a prime number, so must be a prime number. Okay, because P is a prime number, so therefore P is the factor of H or P is the factor of K. So here will be 2. 1 if P is the factor of H. Okay. From 1 to P is the factor of H plus K minus 1. Then that is P is the factor of K. Therefore, P is H. Okay. So sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah. Therefore, so therefore P is the common factor of H, K. So this is a adversary with HK equal 1. Right? So 2. If P is the factor of K, from 1, 3, the P is the factor of H plus K minus K. Then P is the factor of H. It is also adversary. So from 1 to when HK its biggest common factor is 1, then HK and H plus K is equal 1. Okay, let me see. Okay, if it's not prime number P, make okay, so because so okay, that is right. So if PHPK, okay, from 1 to 1 to from 1 to. So that is h plus k minus h. So okay. So p is k. Okay, let me see. Okay. So the adversary p is the common factor of the hk, the adversary. Okay, so then okay, it is adversary. So from 1 to, then hk equal 1. Okay. Okay. So hk has already. Okay, and h plus okay pp. So here, so that is 1. Okay. Here's another question. To any positive integer n, 9n plus a and 6n plus 5. If the two formula are coprime forever. So here's any positive integer. Here positive integer n. The n is any positive integer. Give you 2. Here are 2. One is 9n plus a, 6n plus 5. Ask you if the two formula actually that is 2 number, if they are coprime. They are coprime. So what do you think about? What do you think about? So coprime. The first thing we have to inspect the 9n plus a. In the 9n plus a, its factors. Its factor. And 6n plus 5, its factors. The both sides, the two sides factors are all not equal. Because all not equal, that means the two sides are coprime. If they have some certain factors are the same, so means the two sides have a common factor that is not coprime, right? So here we just say like this. Say here is a factor d is the 9n plus a, and here is the factor d is the factor of the 6n plus 5. Then so d will be the 2 9n plus a and the minus 3 6n plus 5. Then d is the factor of 1. So can you think about what is the following thing? So because you discover the d is the factor of 1, so d is 1. D is the 1. D is the 1. So when this one, absolutely the two sides are coprime. Therefore, D is equal 1. Therefore, the 9n plus 8 and 6n plus 5 are coprime forever. Okay. So here is the problems of a multiple.
There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the sea.
It's the multiple question. Multiple question. Okay, so we say P, Q, N are positive integer and P, Q are coprime. If Pn equal Qn, prove Pn plus Qn is
I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah.
Qn is the multiple of a p squared plus q squared. So Pn equal Qn. Pn equal Qn. So P is the factor of Qn and the n is the factor of the Qn. Besides PQ are coprime. So we get the P is the factor of n is correct. So we relate n is pk. Right? We step by step to find out the clue. You discover why the p squared plus q squared is the multiple of this pn plus qn. Right? So, clue. Because pn equal qn, therefore, P is the factor Qn and PQ are coprime. Therefore, P is the factor of N. So, let N equal PK. The K is positive integer. Bring in Pn equal Qn. Then Pn equal QPK. So therefore, M equal QK. Right? So therefore, Pn plus Qn equal P squared K plus Q squared K, that is equal P squared plus Q squared times K. So therefore, Pn plus Qn is the multiple of p squared plus q squared. Right? That's C. Because it has already tell you here. So because here, therefore P is the vector Qn, and the PQ are coprime. So P is also the vector of n. So let n become pk. So bring in the pn equal qn, that will become pn q pk. Therefore n is qk. So pn plus qn, that is become pn, okay, here pn okay, q squared k, and so
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights.
so
I've been shining in the sunlight. I've
and
been thinking how I'm
so
alright.
that will become thus. So that is the answer. That is the answer. Okay.
All because of you.
Okay.
Now it's so sweet, so sweet.
Okay, this is today's video. So we still have so many questions in this part. So hope next video we can
You really get me.
push forward
Make me fall in
at
my
this 3 questions. Okay, that will introduce the Euclidean algorithm and the standard factorization. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I was so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall